Welcome to the Icarus Science Classroom. Here we simplify science so that everyone can understand and love the human body. Today we'll be discussing the rib cage. Above the ribs is the collarbone. This has a scientific name called the clavicle. Below the clavicle are the ribs. Right here in the center is the bone that they call the breastbone. Scientifically, this bone is called the sternum. There are 12 pairs of ribs. The first 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, are known as the true ribs. The next 3, 1, 2, 3, are known as false ribs. At the bottom over here, there are 2 pairs of ribs. Those are known as floating ribs. Right. We can get a better visual over here. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are known as true ribs. Now, why are they called true ribs? Well, when you observe, you will see that the first 7 are attached directly to the sternum, whereas the 3 that are known as the false ribs are attaching to the sternum with the help of that last 7 rib, allowing that cartilage that they're attached to help it attach to the sternum. And of course, those 2 floating ribs are not attached to the sternum, hence the term floating. The sternum, or breastbone, is divided up into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. I would like you to focus on this little bone here, the 3rd part, and that bone is called the Xiphoid Process. Now, this bone is extremely important because it's the site of attachment for several muscles. One of them, for example, is called the diaphragm that it attaches to. It helps in the process of breathing. Now, during CPR, the person performing the act usually places the palm of their hand right there above the xiphoid process. And this is important because one has to avoid this little bone. And the reason why, it's because if it gets crushed, it could act like a little blade that can come off and slice any organs in this vicinity. The organs would be the lungs that are found in here, the heart that's behind the sternum, and of course, the liver. This can cause internal bleeding. If you liked our video, please hit the subscribe button at the bottom. See you next time.